To have a sense of realism in our SketchUp model, we can use shadows and fogs to have a greater sense of realism in it. So we have options like shadows and fogs under view bar, where we can create shadows and fogs in our model. First, we on the right side we can see the default tray. There is a shadow option, as well as we can provide a fog options also here. So we will go under window, under default tray there is a fog option, we can check on it, and we have these two options. Okay, so under the shadow we can just click it. So right now we can see we have shadows on the structures we have already created. So it shows the realism in it, and on the right side we can see there are certain attributes we can manipulate accordingly to our need. So right now we can see this is the time zone here, and we can manipulate the data from day to night and also throughout the year with the date of that particular area. So we have this sense of flexibility to create a sense of realism in our model. Like if our building of some specific place, so we can create a proper shadow on particular moment of time. It will help us to visualize things at that place. And also we can manipulate the lightness and darkness with respect to shadow we are getting. So it is quite helpful for us. And use sun for shading, yes, we have some options. And there are another options like display on faces, on crowd, on from edges. So it's basically just adds more detail in our shadow, which will help to add more realism to our visuality. And coming to the fog option, this is the display fog. When we click on the display fog, we have two options, like initial fog is starting from where, and the maximum distance. So we don't, if we are creating a bigger scene, we have bigger city in our scene, and we don't want our city to be look very clearly, so we can have fog here. It will create an illusion there is a something behind and there is a proper background behind it. But with these two options we can manipulate the distance and the extent of fog in our scene. So it is just hit and trial according to our need. And also we can change the background of our fog. Right now it is used background color, but if you want to change another color, like I want to create a reddish fog, it is just create like this. So try it by yourself and check the shadows and fog option. You will find it really easy, and you will love to have a greater visualization in your models.